Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So we have completed paper 1 of agriculture optional and today we are going to start paper 2. So the topic 1 of paper 2 is cell structure. Cell structure. So what is the ultra structure of cell? Cell की ultra structure cell देखने में कैसा होता है? We will discuss this right now. So when we will look into a plant cell, as we are into agriculture optional, so we will focus on plant cell, ultra structure of plant cell. So you will see the cell like this. So this is a upper structure of the plant cells, and here you will see nucleus. What is it? Nucleus. And inside nucleus we can see chromatin. And over nucleus there is nuclear envelope. There is a large central vacuole, as you know, in plant cell. Vacuole, and it occupies around 90% of cell volume. And what does it do? It performs osmoregulation. You will also see some Golgi bodies. So this is what? Golgi body. Golgi body. What Golgi body does? It store, modify and package and condense proteins. Store, modify, package and condense protein. It is condense, hope it is visible. This is condense. So this is the function of Golgi body. We will also see here mitochondria. Let it be mitochondria. And you all know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. It is the powerhouse of cell. And this all except nucleus inside the protoplasm, this is cytoplasm. Here we will also see chloroplast. Let it be chloroplast. It contains chlorophyll, which is very important for photosynthesis. You all know that. This is the cell membrane. This one is cell membrane. So cell membrane is the lipid bilayer between protein molecules. It is lipid bilayer between protein molecules. And you will also see cell wall. This outer wall is cell wall. Outer one is cell wall, which is made of cell wall, which is made up of hemicellulose plus pectin. It is made of cellulose. This is cellulose plus hemicellulose plus pectin. So this is the composition of cell wall. And you will also see some endoplasmic reticulum here. Let it be endoplasmic reticulum. ER or endoplasmic reticulum. So it is both smooth as well as rough. So what happens? The smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't contain ribosomes, whereas rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes, which makes it rough. So this is an overall ultrastructure of cell, of a plant cell. Hope you all understand it. Now moving on. First of all, we will see what is the difference between a plant cell and animal cell. Moving on, what is the difference between plant cell and animal cell? So plant cell is larger in size as compared to animal cell, while it is smaller. Here cell wall is present while cell wall is absent in animal cell. Chloroplast is present plant cell whereas it is absent in animal cell. Have you ever seen humans doing photosynthesis? No, हम लोग photosynthesis नहीं करते, हमारे पास chloroplast नहीं है, whereas plants do because they have chloroplast. Here the vacuole is large and permanent. The vacuole is large and permanent. But when you see animal cell, there is small and temporary vacuole. It is not permanent. We see tonoplast around vacuole in plant cell, but it is absent in animal cell. Plasmodesmata is present in plant cell, but it is absent in animal cell. Lysosomes are rarely present in plant cell, but they are present in good amount in animal cell. Here the storage material is starch grains. But when you look into animal cell, here the storage material is glycogen granules. So it is the major difference between plant cell and animal cell. Hope all of you understand this. Now moving on, why is cell called a structural and functional unit of life? Why is cell structural and functional unit of life? Why? First of all living organism, because first of all living organisms are made up of cell. All living organisms are made up of cell. Secondly, cell are essential for performing various life processes required for sustaining life. Without cell we cannot sustain life. Cell provides form, structure, it processes nutrients and convert them into usable energy Multicellular organisms have a specialized cell that performs specific functions. Multicellular organisms have specialized cells which perform specific functions. So that is why cell is called a structural and functional unit of I hope all of you understand this. Now moving on, questions were asked previously about protoplasm. So we'll discuss about protoplasm. What protoplasm is? Normally protoplasm is nothing but nucleus plus cytoplasm in the cell. So nucleus and cytoplasm make up to protoplasm. Now here when you break protoplasm, here the proto means first and plasm is organization. So it is the first organization among cells. First protoplasm is organized, then in left there is the organization of cell organelles such as nucleus, cytoplasm, etc., and other organelles such as ER, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, vacuole, etc. So this is the first organization, and it was coined by Purkinje in 1840. So you can define protoplasm as the living structure present inside the cell, referred to as protoplasm. Present inside the cell. It is the living structure present inside the cell. So this is what protoplasm is. Now moving on, what is the chemical composition of protoplasm? Let me rub it first. Chemical composition of protoplasm. Proteins and other nitrogenous compounds constitute the bulk of organic matter of protoplasm. Proteins and other nitrogenous compounds. Protein is also a nitrogenous compound, so protein and other nitrogenous compound make the bulk of organic matter of protoplasm after water has been removed. Make the bulk of the dry matter of protoplasm. The lipids. Lipids can be simple fats or oils. Simple fats or oils. Lipids are simple fats or oils. Phospholipids and sterols. So this is what lipids constitute a smaller fraction. They constitute a smaller fraction in protoplasm. Carbohydrates is present. Carbohydrates are present. Inorganic compound are also present. Inorganic compounds, that is minerals, chiefly constitute phosphates, chlorides, sulfate and carbonates. Phosphates, chlorides, sulfates and carbonates of Mg, K, Ma, calcium, etc. So when you look in the dry protoplasm, we will see proteins constitute of around 45%, carbohydrate constitute of around 25%, lipids constitute of around 25%, and other substances constitute of around 5%. Other substances. And 82, this is of dry protoplasm, but in wet protoplasm 80 to 90% of water is present. So 80 to 90% of water is present in protoplasm, but it is the composition of dry protoplasm. You should know it. Now moving on, what are the physical properties of protoplasm? Physical properties of protoplasm. First of all, phase reversal. It is due to a difference in temperature of outer part gel, temperature in outer part of gel, outer part is here gel, and inner part sol. So there is difference of temperature in between inner part and outer part, that is between gel and sol. So here we can say phase reversal. We can see phase reversal. We can also see Tyndall effect, as it protoplasm are colloid in nature, so it exhibits Tyndall effect. Surface tension, as protoplasm is fluid and all fluids have some amount of surface tension. Elasticity and contractility, due to folding and unfolding nature of protoplasm, as protoplasm folds and unfolds, folding and unfolding nature. Viscosity, the viscosity is around 2 to 25 centipoise. pH is around 6 to 8. We have got refractive index, which is 1.4, and we must know that protoplasm coagulates at 60 degrees Celsius, and on reacting with, or when it's react with acid and bases. So protoplasm coagulates here. So that is all for today's session. So keep making, I hope you have made notes, keep making notes, it will help. As I say in every session, that the notes you are going to make are your Brahmastra. More than 80 to 90% questions, almost every questions will be directly from your notes. To keep making notes, keep value adding of your notes, it will help you so much. These are Brahmastra, it is the real Brahmastra. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button, do share and subscribe. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.